Good morning, team. I want to show you how to enroll a team member. So just a quick refresher, everybody comes on as a customer. And then if you have people asking about your transformation, or you're ready to start sharing, or you're enrolling some family members because you're using a lot of product, you're all going to do the same thing. So the first step is to upgrade to associate. And there's a little box in your back office that says earn 20% back. And I believe it also says upgrade to associate. So that is the first step, is to follow those steps and become an associate. That does have a one-time of year $29 fee associated with it. What that does is open up the comp plan, gives you a free web page, and gives you the page for all the training if you want to share. So what I want to do is share my screen, and give me 1 second. Let me make sure I'm on the right screen and show you what you do to actually enroll somebody. So hopefully you guys can all see this. So once you become an associate, you have this new tab called Team that you didn't used to have in your back office before. What you're going to do is go down to Enroll New Team Member. And when you do that, you're going to see a very familiar prompt. This is that same prompt you get when you're editing your subscription. And so you're going to go pick what you want for products. So a lot of people I know come in on a 30-day reset program where you get the synergy of de-stressing, shakes, and detoxing. This is enough for a month. If you want to hand pick your products, you're going to go over here. As a reminder, the Isagenix shake is the 24-gram meal replacement shake. The Isagenix Pro is the 36-gram meal replacement shake. And if you need plant-based, you're down here under plant-based. Of course, we have our grab-and-go snacks and bars. Natural Beauty is where we have our collagen and hair revival. The other category a lot of people spend time in is daily nutrition. This has some boosts like Super Mix and greens and the immune shake booster. It also has our vitamins. I'm a huge fan of NAD. And then the last category is more targeted solutions. So you're literally going to build your cart. So let me walk you through as far as I can. So say you're going to pick a 30-day reset. You click on the products you want. They've just changed this recently where they kind of build it for you. So a perfect example for this is the Ionic Supreme. I do not like as liquid. So I would go in and edit that and change that, take out the liquid as a 1 and change it to a powder as 1. And you can also go in and look to see what they have. I don't know if I need to save it. They literally just changed this recently. So there's the Ionics. Let's try add to cart. Okay. So let me move over here. Obviously real life. I'm double checking to see where we are. So I think, okay, so we do have the 30-day reset in there. And then because I had kind of backed out, the next screen will stay, the next prompt will say continue. You're going to either customize your subscription, meaning you want your next order to be different, or you can just copy the exact same order you did. So a lot of times I just copy the exact same order because a lot of people will tend to do what they did the first month. And even if they want to go in and change flavors, you can always do that. So then with your subscription, the next thing it's going to come up is ask your frequency. Many of you know I'm a fan of 28 days versus 30 days because then it falls on the same day of the week. So I would click the 28 days. I would click on the calendar and back this up the 2 days so that it does fall on the same day. And just so you know, over here, you're going to see your product total. You're going to see your BV total. We highly encourage you to get above 100 BV for both your order and anybody that you enroll. That way you maintain active and your order volume keeps rolling and collecting. Obviously, I also meet people where they are. So if somebody can only come in and 1 or 2 products because their budget only allows for that, I meet them where they are. But if possible, we try and get people above the 100 BV because it suits everybody best. You're going to then hit checkout. And this next screen is probably as far as I can take you because this is where you're going to put your personal information in. So basically, you're going to fill your information, click next. Your last screen is just going to be a verify. And in the verification, you should have free shipping because we want everybody coming in on subscription, which gives you the free shipping on that initial order. It also will show that you're the enrolling sponsor, and it will say right, left, or alternating. So those of you that are brand new, I recommend putting on alternating because then it's just going to flip back and forth between right leg and left leg. For those of you that are seasoned, if you need help with which leg do I need somebody on, call me and we will strategize the best position for you. So if you need additional help beyond this, let me know. But just as a really quick review, you're in your back office, you're going to go to that team prompt, and you're going to go to enroll new team member and build your cart, and it will walk you right through it. If for some reason you've started an enrollment and had to leave, but you want to come back and finish it, when you come back and you click that enroll person, this is the first prompt you're going to get. It's going to say, do you want to continue with your current one? So if you want to continue with the one you started building, you're going to click yes. Say you don't want to continue with that one, you have a whole new enrollment to do, you would just click no and start from scratch. So hopefully this has helped you. I'm going to stop my share. And as always, I'm here to help you any way I can. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.